How to plan the child's diet without stress. Hey, my kid has autism. Let me give him this, that, and suddenly the autism will disappear. Nobody has any concrete, specific, evidence based data. Nobody, not even people who are suggesting these diets and stuff. Okay, when it comes to diet, please don't feed them McDonald's, KFC, all of those, the Burger King, all the junk and the fast food that's gonna sit in their body as fat. That's gonna also reduce the sharpness of the brain because it has MSG, monosodium glutamate, which is bad for anybody, you, me, and the kid. Don't stress over the diet, just give the proper intervention. Hello everybody, Rajni here, Sashat Empowering Lives. So, what is today's topic? How to plan the child's diet without stress. So, the first thing that comes to our minds as mothers, because we are so expert at cooking, genetically also, 10,000 years of genes history. That's what we are pretty good at doing, right? So, when you're a mother, you are going to the kitchen, you're cooking, etc., etc. Even if you're not, still you're focusing too much on diet. Now, here's the point. I, particularly as a person, individual, do not have much belief in any kind of specialized, specific, scientific diets for children. Of course, if you want a weight management or a weight control, consulting a dietitian and then replacing gehu atta probably with moong dal ka chila, that is something which you will do irrespective for any kid or any adult because you want them to lose weight. That's another thing. But to say that, hey, my kid has autism, let me give him this, that, and suddenly the autism will disappear, or because his gut gets cleared and he will suddenly be a different human being, or in 6 months you will see the behaviors are gone, the language has emerged, he started making friends. I am sorry, I do not believe in these theories because I have consciously seen and observed over the years, over a period of almost 2 decades now, 19 years. I don't have a single incidence where I can say this is before of the kid with tracked down, recorded behaviors and the deficiencies in language and the social deficiencies and the life skill problems and prompt dependence, etc., the issues with math, let's say, or English, reading, writing, or sensory, recorded evidence, yeah, that on such and such date this child had this, he was put on a diet for the next 6 months or 1 year, or CF GF diet for the next six months or 1 year. After the period of 6 months or 1 year, this kid has shown progress in such and such areas over this much, and now 8 out of the 10 recorded behaviors have disappeared. Or language was at need based, but now the child is fluent and can talk back and forth and is talking in a sentence which is a length of 5 to 6 words and talking 4 to 5 sentences. No. And let me tell you this, nobody has any concrete, specific, evidence-based data. Nobody, not even people who are suggesting these diets and stuff. Okay, I've heard a lot, Karela diet, Aloo diet, that something they are saying will happen inside the body. I hate to disappoint every mother because this is the easiest. Working with the child, putting in intervention, all the time struggling, doing this, that. No, you have to listen to mommy, putting in boundaries, getting reinforcers. Oh my God, that's tough. Yeah, that's real tough because it's real hard work. But cooking is easy. Tell me if I have to cook something else other than this, and I will do it, and my kid will be so called normal. No such luck there, honey. Not at least with Rajni and my lived experiences. It doesn't work that way. If it has happened to somebody, please feel free to write in the chat below. But I am a very scientific person. Write to me with before and the symptoms, everything about before: behaviors, language, social, self-help, academics, and sensory, and after, and for how long the diet was administered. And if you don't have it, then simply saying, oh, so and so told me about so and so who had a massive change because they changed the diet. You know what we're doing? We are trying to find hope. This is what we want to hear. So the minute we hear that, we say, this is right. Let me do it. Time to wake up to reality. The only thing that will work, that has worked, that will give you evidence-based proof is cognitive behavior therapy and ABA and the entire mix of scientific protocols, right? Because that is where the child is learning step by step. Yes, when it comes to diet, please don't feed them McDonald's, KFC, all of those, the Burger King, all the junk and the fast food that's going to sit in their body as fat, that's going to also reduce the sharpness of the brain because it has MSG, monosodium glutamate, which is bad for anybody, you, me, and the kid alike. Fries, all of that stuff, which is not supposed to be eaten, colas, Coke. Avoid that. Avoid sugar if you can. Try khajur instead of it, dates, ragi. Bake a cake at home in ragi. Saying no diet, no dairy doesn't always work. There are some children, there are some adults, there are some neurotypical people who are allergic to dairy. And it can happen to anybody. It's got nothing specifically with autism. Oh, autism? No dairy. Oh, autism? No wheat. No gluten. Please. So be stress-free. Feed them everything. Don't feed them nonsense. Kurkure and junk, and in Hindi we call it gand. Yeah. So don't do that. Avoid too much of sugar. Replace it with something healthy like honey or maybe jaggery or maybe dates, and that will do it for you. I hope this was of value. This is coming from a very practical standpoint. My son is a chef in the bakery section. He cannot take forward the pastry or whatever he's created because it's a matter of the hotel's reputation without tasting the concoction, which means even tasting something from morning to evening is going to have so much of sugar intake or maida, white wheat intake, because that's what pastries are made of. So he burns it off in the gym with 2 hours of hardcore gymming and has a very, very controlled diet otherwise. And he's sorted. So don't stress over the diet. Just give the proper intervention. If you liked it, like, subscribe, share. Share it with somebody who's going absolutely finicky and crazy over what diet do I give to make the magic. There's no diet as such. Just keep it healthy. Lots of fruits, lots of hydration, water, good foods, and that's it. If you want to learn more, all the links are given in the description. Our app link is given in the description. The live, the masterclass, the books. Go ahead, learn the techniques, empower your kid with autism. You know what? They deserve it.